Now continuation of previous video. We are doing exercise 9. The next type, find the product of, it is given in this form, 35 x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. Here value of x given minus 2. So first we have to find out what is your a and what is your b. Here x cube given means it is your a, and there is 8. 8 means we can write 2 cube. So what will be your b? 2. Clear? So this is, I am writing in this form, a cube plus 3 into a square into b means we are getting from here 2. Now 3 2 is 6, 6x square we are getting plus 3 into x into 2 square, 3ab square, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12x also we have got, plus b cube means 8 we have got. Clear? Then directly we can write now this expression equals to, by using formula a plus b whole cube. Now value of x given, that is minus 2 plus 2 whole cube. 0 cube means your answer is coming 0. So first you have to write down the this step, that means the proper formula of a plus b whole cube. Clear? The next one. (36) easy, same type you can do yourself. I am doing 37. That is 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 2. Now here, from here it is difficult to find out what is your b. A is 2x whole cube, from there you are getting a, but 2 means this is not whole cube of any number. Clear? So how I am doing? See, give star mark. This I am writing in this form, 2x whole cube plus 3 into 2x whole square. There is 12x square. So if you open the bracket, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12x square already you have got. So only by 1 we can multiply. Clear? So from here I have got my b. This is b. Now 3a b square. Now 3 2 is 6x is coming, plus b cube. 1 cube means 1. But there is given 2. So another one you have to write. Clear what I am telling? 8x cube means 2x whole cube plus 3 into 2x whole square. From there what you are getting? 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. 12x square we have got. So only we can multiply this by 1. That will be my b. Clear? And this 3a b square plus b cube. But there is 2, so I have taken only 1. So 1 plus 1 you have to write. Now this, up to this we can write a plus b whole cube, and plus 1 is there, and value of x is given half. So 2 into, putting the value of x, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 whole cube plus 1. That means 8 plus 1. Your answer is coming 9. Clear? Then next. Next one is given in two variables, x and y. Okay, 38. There are two variables, x and y. So this one we can write 3x whole cube. We have got this. Then 3 into 3x whole square from here. What we can write b 64y cube. 64 means 4 cube. So your b will come 4. Clear? 4y. So from here we can write 4y. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 4s are 108. 108 x square y we have got. Then 3a into b square. If you open the bracket, then you will get this term 144 xy square plus b cube means 4y whole cube. This means 64y cube. Now this equals to, we can write a plus b whole cube. Clear? Now the values of x and y given. So x is given 3 into minus 3. X is given minus 3. Plus y is given, we are doing, no sorry, 38 we are doing, no, x3 y minus 2. Okay, x given 3 and y given minus 2. Now 9 minus 8, 1 whole cube means, clear? This is the answer. Now last one, that is 40, sum number 40. It is important for exam also this time. X cube plus y cube plus 24 xy, and it is given that x plus y equals to 8. Now how I am rearranging? Same. X plus y given 8. Clear? So this one I can write what is given from there. X cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Okay. Now there is 24 xy. So I have written 3 into x into y. So 8 is left. Clear? So 8 3s are 24 xy. So 3xy into 8. Now next step, you see, in place of 8 we can write x plus y as it is given. X plus y. Now it is coming that formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now this equals to, we can write a plus b whole cube, that means x plus y whole cube. Now value of x plus y given 8. Now put this value over here, 8 cube. 8 8s are 64. 512. 8 cube is 512. So what we have done here, only this step. You have to keep it in mind. 3xy a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into, there was 24, that's why into 8. So 8 3s are 24 xy. Now next step, in place of 8 I have put x plus y. Now it is coming in, whole this expression is coming in that form, a plus b whole cube, that means x plus y whole cube. Now x plus y 8, I have put this value over here. Now it is 512. Clear? Now I have completed exercise 9. and Shilpita ma'am has also taught you in details, and I have done the divisional part. And exercise 11 and 10 already you have got this video. I have sent this video. Yeah. So my algebra part is over, and in next online class I will do that part, exercise 1 of revisional exercise of geometry. Yeah, that is numerical part. Now bye.